Hi students, today's topic is some numerical problems based on ideal gas equation. Let us see the first problem. What is the pressure of HCl gas at minus 40 degrees if its density is 8 kilograms per meter cube when R value is given in joules? Okay, let us have the equation first of all. PV equal to nRT is ideal gas equation. From this you can write it like W by M into RT. So this will become pressure equal to W by V into 1 by M RT by M. You can say this is the modification simply. So W by V will be density. So D into RT by M is the equation you have to use for the solution of this problem. Here you have density, you have R, you have T, and you will know the molecular mass of given gas. Then you can calculate the pressure. So let us have the given data here. So temperature is minus 40 degrees. So you have to convert into Kelvin, that is equal to 233 Kelvin, right? So density is 8.0 kilogram per meter cube. Then what is the R value? It is here. So what is molecular mass here? Molecular mass of HCl is 36.5 gram per mole. But here the density is given in kg. So you have to convert this molecular mass into kilograms. That will become 36.5 into 10 power minus 3 kg per mole. So once you have these parameter values, you can substitute in this equations. Now let us see. I am substituting these values along with the units. First D. What is D? dRT by M, right? So D is 8.0 kilogram per meter cube into R 8.314 joules per Kelvin mole into T 233 K divided by M. What is the molecular mass here? 36.5 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram per mole. Okay. Here you will have the cancellation of these units like kg, kg. Here kg and kg will be cancelled. Mole, mole will be cancelled. Kelvin, Kelvin will be cancelled. The remaining, when you calculate in calculator, you will get the answer like 424.58 into 10 power 3 joules meter per minus 3. So here we are calculating the pressure. So pressure should be expressed in terms of atmospheres or in Newton meter or Pascal. So you have to convert these units into pressure units. So how can you convert? So joule is nothing but Newton into meter, isn't it? Joule is work. Work equal to force into area, isn't it? So joule is Newton meter. I am writing joule like joule. In place of joule, I am writing Newton meter by meter cube. The units will become Newton into meter per minus 2, right? This is the unit you have to apply for this. So pressure equal to 424.58 into 10 power 3 Newton meter per minus 2, which is nothing but pascals. This is pascal. So this can be written as pascals. The pressure equal to 424 into 10 power into 5.8 into 10 power 3 pascals. This is the pressure you have to calculate. So observe these conversion of units here. Here the third question is density of phosphorus vapor at 310 degrees centigrade and the pressure of 75 torr is 2.64 gram decimeter cube per decimeter cube. What is the molecular formula of phosphorus? So how can you calculate the molecular formula of phosphorus here? From the ideal gas equation again. What is ideal gas equation? We have P equal to dRT by M like the earlier problems. Okay, what is the given data here? Given data, temperature is 310 plus 273, that will become, what is the total here? 583 Kelvin. Then density equal to 2.64 grams per decimeter cube and the pressure is given in torr, that is 775 torr. But we know that what is torr? Torr 1 atmosphere can be expressed equal to 760 torr. Okay, so from this you can convert this pressure into atmosphere. If 760 torr equal to 1 atmosphere, then 775 torr is how many atmospheres? So this can be cross multiplied by 775 by 760 equal to 1.019 atmosphere. So this is the pressure you converted into atmospheres. Okay, so R value is taken in liter atmospheres. R equal to 0.0821 liter atmospheres by Kelvin mole. So this is the given data you have. When you substitute in this equation, in this ideal gas equation, so what you have to calculate here? Molecular formula. That means you need to know what is the molecular mass first of all. So what is the molecular mass here? That is capital M. So you have to calculate capital M here. So the equation will be M equal to dRT by P. When you substitute these values, 2.64 grams per decimeter cube into 0.0821. Here liter can be converted into decimeter cube. 1 liter is nothing but a decimeter cube. 1 liter equal to decimeter cube. 1 decimeter cube. So this liter is converted into 1 decimeter cube by Kelvin into atmosphere by Kelvin mole, and the temperature is 583 K divided by what is the pressure you have? 1.019 atmosphere. Here the atmosphere and decimeter cube, Kelvin will be cancelled. Okay, observe the units here. Here the decimeter cube, atmosphere, Kelvin will be cancelled. When you calculate this, you will get 124.0 gram per, here you will have gram per mole, no, gram per mole. What is this? Molecular mass of phosphorus, right? But what you have to calculate? Here? Number of molecular formula phosphorus. So once you know the molecular mass, what is the atomic mass of phosphorus? Atomic mass of phosphorus equal to how much it is? 31.0 gram per mole. Okay, 31 gram per mole. If you divide molecular mass with atomic mass, you will get 124 divided by 124.0 divided by 31.0. You will get 4. That means number of atoms in the given molecule. So formula will be P4. You have 4 phosphorus atoms. Molecular mass is divided by atomic mass. You will get the number of atoms of that particular phosphorus. So what is the molecular formula of phosphorus here? You have 4 atoms. That means P4. Okay, this is the solution. So next question is, oxygen is present in 1 liter flask at pressure of 7.6 into 10 power minus 10 mm of Hg. Then calculate the number of oxygen molecules in the flask at 0 degree centigrade. So from when oxygen is present in 1 liter volume of flask, the pressure is given here. Then how can we calculate the oxygen molecules from the ideal gas equation? What is ideal gas equation? Here we have PV equal to nRT, right? From this equation you have to calculate the number of oxygen molecules. So let us check the given data first. What is the volume? Volume equal to 1 liter. Okay, then the pressure is given in mm of Hg, 7.6 into 10 power minus 10 mm of Hg. And then temperature T equal to nothing but 0 degrees is nothing but 273 Kelvin. And R can be taken as 0.0821 liter atmosphere by Kelvin mole. Here the R value is taken in atmosphere. So you have to convert this pressure into atmospheres, right? So how can you convert this pressure into atmospheres? You know 1 atmosphere equal to 760 mm of Hg, right? So I am converting this value into like this. Check this. So I am writing this value equal to 760 into 10 power minus 10, right? 760 into 10 power minus 12. Can you write it down like this? Simply 760 divided by 100 will be 7.6, no, into the given value is 10 power minus 10. If you put it like 760, so 10 power minus 2 will be added and this will become 10 power minus 2 atmosphere. So this will become, mm of Hg. Okay, this will become 10 power minus 2 atmosphere. Why? Because 760 mm of Hg is nothing but 1 atmosphere. I hope you got this point. Now substitute these values in the given ideal gas equation. What is ideal gas equation here? PV is equal to nRT. No, from this you can calculate n equal to PV by RT. Right? Substitute these values. What is P? 10 power minus 12 atmosphere into 1 liter volume divided by what is R? 0.0821 liter atmosphere by Kelvin mole into T. What is T? 273 K. So Kelvin will be cancelled. Atmosphere and liter will be cancelled. So what will you have? So you can have the value 0.0446 into 10 power minus 12. So moles. This is the moles. Number of moles you have, n equal to. But in the question they are asking like number of oxygen molecules. Okay, number of oxygen molecules is Avogadro law. Number of molecules equal to n into Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? 6.023 into 10 power 23. What is n here? 0.0446 into 10 power minus 12 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. Finally, you will have the value like 2.68 into 10 power 10. You can calculate in calculator. This is the answer. What is this? Number of molecules, number of oxygen molecules present in 1 liter of flask. If you calculate n, those are moles, not number of molecules. You have to multiply it with Avogadro number, then you will get number of molecules. Another question. A mixture of CO, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide is found to have a density of 1.5 gram per liter at 30 degrees and 730 torr of pressure. What is the composition of that mixture? So if you have the gaseous mixture like CO and CO2 at this pressure and this at this temperature and the density is given, you have to find out the composition of the mixture. That means you have to find out the percent composition of CO and the percent composition of CO2 in that mixture. Okay. This can be done also by the ideal gas equation, that is PV equal to nRT. So thereby you have the equation like M equal to dRT by P. This is the equation you have to use. Okay, why? Because you have to know the composition, molecular mass of that gaseous mixture. That's why you have to calculate M. So D, what is the given data? D is equal to 1.5 gram per liter and the pressure equal to 730 torr. Then temperature T equal to 30 degrees, 273 plus 30 degrees. That will become 303 Kelvin. Okay, this is the given data and R should be taken in liter atmosphere. What is liter atmosphere value? R equal to 0.821 liter atmosphere by Kelvin mole. So when you observe the R value and the given data, the pressure is given in torr. So you have to convert it into liter atmospheres. Like the earlier example, so if 760 torr is said to be 1 atmosphere, right? If 760 torr is 1 atmosphere, then what is 730 torr? Will be 730 divided by 760. The value is 0.9605 atmospheres. This is the pressure you have to input in the equation, which is converted in atmospheric pressure. Okay, let's substitute in the equation, that is M equal to dRT by P. What is D? 1.5 gram per liter into 0.0821 liter atmosphere per Kelvin mole into, what is the temperature here? 303 Kelvin divided by the pressure, which is 0.9605 atmospheres. When you cancel liter atmosphere, liter, and then Kelvin and calculated, the value will be 38.848, means 85 gram per mole. What is this? This is the molecular mass of the average molecular mass of gas mixture, that is CO and CO2. But you have to know the each composition of gas, that is CO composition and CO2 composition. And so let us say if CO is present in X percentage, or you can say let X mole of CO is present in the mixture and 1 minus X moles present in mixture, 1 moles of CO2 present in this mixture. Okay, if X moles of CO and 1 minus X moles of CO2 is present in mixture, you have to find out the percentage of that particular one. Then what is the average molecular mass here? 38.85, right? So what is the CO molecular mass? CO molecular mass will be 28. So X into 28 plus 1 minus X into CO2 molecular mass will be 44. So which is always equal to 38.85. Okay. So you have this mixture. In that mixture you have this much of, let us consider this much of composition of CO and CO2. If you calculate this one, you will have 28X plus 44 minus 44X equal to 38.84. In this, when you solve this, you will have the X value like X equal to 32.18. Sorry, 0.3218. 28x minus 44x will be 16x. So in 38.85 minus 44 will be 5.5. I'll put the values here. 16x equal to 5.15. Thereby x equal to 5.15 by 16. You will have 0.3218. Okay, this value. You got the x value here. So but you have to multiply it with 100 to express in composition, percent composition. So x is moles of CO. So percentage mole of CO will be 0.3218 into 100. So you will get 32.18. Okay, this is the percentage of CO. Next, 1 minus x. 1 minus x. That means x value is 0.3218, right? 1 minus x equal to 1 minus 0.3218. This will be 0.6182. When you multiply it with 100, because it is the percentage mole of CO2, no? So you will have 67.82. This is the percent composition of 60 CO2. So when you add this one, you will get 100, 67.82 and 32.18. So mole percent of CO, you can say mole percent of CO is 32.18, mole percent of CO2 is 67.82 in the mixture of CO and CO2. Okay, you have to calculate the mole percentage of a particular gas in a mixture of gas when the pressure is given like this using the ideal gas equation. Okay students, these are the typical examples based on calculation of density or molecular mass or number of atoms and the molecular formula depending upon the gas equation, ideal gas equation. Okay, thanks for watching.